I charge more when Paul helps.
Oh, get him to do it.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're gonna head back down to PSP. We're gonna have a look at a few things and get the tranny pulled, so let's go.
Yesterday, my shoulders, I was doing this with Sean's car. I had to put his training down.
So your shoulders are sore?
Sorry?
Are the shoulders sore?
Yeah, they are.
So what are you doing there, Paul?
Removing the starter.
Starter?
Yeah, we have to remove the starter before we can take the tranny out.
Ah, gotcha.
I charge more when Paul helps.
Oh, get him to do it.
Paul. What do you need, Paul? No.
You need to rest from his shoulders are hurting.
I've had customers come in the first 2 years, I was always a really nice walk in the park. I said, listen, there's going to be a year that you're going to have problems, even with coal and stuff. Sometimes you have good years, and then suddenly it's like, 1 year is just, don't matter what you do, you just have problems. And your deal could be vice versa. It could be at the beginning and then be good at the end, you know?
That's what it'll be, Paul.
Sorry?
That's what it's going to be.
Yeah.
Get all the bugs out in the beginning and then smooth sailing.
Now we're making false healthy.
Wires on now?
Yeah, you might have to zip tie it.
Okay.
They run it down. Hey, you want to zip tie that? No, not this way. Yeah, zip tie it up. Yeah.
Oh, there's another bolt there?
Yeah, three. Yeah, three.
I was on only the 2 bolts.
Yeah, we got the three.
Okay, give me
Want the zip tie though?
I want to zip tie.
Or you want to take it right out?
Well, maybe we should be able to leave it here.
Yeah.
I left it with Sean Sabato.
Yeah.
I'll have to take the converter bolts off.
Yeah.
We're gonna we're gonna wrap it up with the diaper.
Yeah.
And it's gonna stay inside the diaper. Okay. Let's bring it down.
Sounds funny when you say the diaper.
Paul's diaper.
Yeah. Off the top. Oh yeah, you promise? Oh yeah? I don't like the collar, would you?
I was gonna take that top knot. That's what Ryan says.
Yeah. Good enough?
He said I like to touch Paul's nuts. That's good. Okay, I got it.
That was a good one.
Ryan, you don't think we can get that from the
Yeah, maybe.
from the
But
bottom?
This won't reach it.
Yeah,
What did you,
let's
what
try.
did you guys do last time?
Maybe a flex.
Yeah,
Did you
soft.
guys do,
try it, we'll
did
try
you
it.
guys do a long flex?
Maybe,
Did you
yeah.
get to it?
We're gonna try to do
Yeah,
it.
we'll try. I thought Stop to the firewall. You see, Ryan's so short.
Hey, give me the gun for a second. There. You broke it. Give me the gun.
In reverse it?
Yeah.
Where's the screwdriver? You put it back right? The long one?
Yeah. Let me see. Scratch yourself?
No, it's taking off my watch. I think I can grab it. There, is that it?
Yeah. It's still on top of here somewhere. It's up in the middle. Okay, we'll get it out.
But you came on.
All right.
You want to go?
Actually, yeah.
Leave it there? Hold it.
Is that right okay there for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Did that?
Yeah.
There's the both of these.
Chill.
I'll go with the card over there?
Yeah, we'll go up with the card. Hold on, let's tie everything.
I don't, Mike. There's a little bit, eh? That's
Let me put this back in here so we don't forget. Yeah.
I have a little bit of silicone.
I'm gonna put silicone just to hold it in place.
You want to put these bolts back or no?
Which one? On the training? Yeah, a few just to hold it in place. You putting them all in?
Yeah.
Might as well leave them all in there. silver one. The other one wasn't here.
You can take it. I tell ya.
You're good. A little bit over. You're good.
Good?
Yep. Keep coming. Use that muscle. That's what it's there for. Okay, come. You're good. You're good.
All right. Where's the
Yeah.
wood?
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got the tranny out. It's being sent in for a full rebuild so it can do what it needs to do and allow us to throw a lot more power at the car. As far as the hood, from what I understand, it's almost done as well. So I'm really looking forward to getting both of these items back on the car so we can get back to some testing again. And lastly, the channel is very close to the 3,000 subscriber mark, which is awesome. So we just want to thank everyone for all of your support, your watch time, joining us on live streams. Big shout out to our channel moderators, and even a bigger shout out to our channel members. It is truly appreciated. That said, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. As always, we appreciate all you guys, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.